something tells me just in the brief conversations we had, being on your website, seeing the videos, the YouTube videos that you've done, I feel like you've got a passion for this beyond just being a dutiful son.
Totally. So growing up, there was a lot of stomping in the office. I don't want to be here. I want to get out of here. This stinks. My friends are at camp. They're having fun. They're playing. I'm in here 6 a.m. sweeping the floor. I hated it. It was always, I'm never coming back. I'm never going to work for you. But honestly, going through school and continued working, one of my friends wanted a bike. They had to wait till Christmas. I had a paycheck. I could just go buy it, right? Not that I had time to use it, but starting to see that freedom started me thinking, all right, it's not so bad. It's bad on the day-to-day, but in the long term, I can now achieve things that my friends are looking at me like, well, how'd you get that? Well, I've been at work while you guys were hanging out and playing basketball. And then I went to college. I worked through college, and I started realizing, a lot of kids are, hey, I'm in the finance program. Hey, I'm going to be an attorney. I'm going to be a doctor. Okay, that's cool. Do you want to do that? And the answer was like, not a yes. It was kind of just, that's what I'm doing. That's the program I got into. And I started realizing like, okay, I could squander my starting point and go off and do whatever I want and, be an artist, whatever. Or I can try to take it to the next level, right? And I decided that's the route. I mean, why let it just dissipate? Keep it going. So once that clicked, all in.